Welcome to our Optimiz-R drawer assembly video tutorial. These drawers are a great way to bring quality and style into your customer's home. Open the box and make sure you have all the parts. You should have 2 drawer face mounting brackets and 2 decorative cover caps. Also, there are 2 drawer sides and each one is individually wrapped. We usually find it easiest if you put the drawer bottom on its edge with what would be the front of the drawer facing down. Then install the box sides with the back bracket facing up. On the drawer box side, there's a bracket that connects to the drawer box bottom. On this bracket on either end of the side, there are 2 small holes, but they're very close to the edge of the drawer bottom. To avoid breaking out, we suggest putting the screw in the large hole and just bring it close to the inside of that hole. Then place another screw in either of the remaining 2 holes. Now get the back of the drawer and put it in position, and using the same 1/2-inch screws, screw on the back. Now get the drawer face and get ready to install the mounting hardware. All of the holes have been pre-drilled, and you'll notice there's a small 3mm hole. This is to represent the bottom of the drawer face. This is because on a medium drawer, it's hard to tell which side is up and which side is down. Once the drawer face has clicked into place, you're now ready to install the drawer slide right and left locking clips. Now the drawer is ready to install into the cabinet. Place the drawer on the fully extended drawer slides. Then pull on the drawer slide front tab, not the back tab, but the front tab, and it will lock into the locking clips. Inside to the front of the drawer box, there are access holes to adjust the drawer. This makes lining up multiple drawers a breeze. The decorative cover caps clip into place to hide the holes. The drawer assembly and installation is now complete.